Hello, my name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. And occasionally, I like to road trip around the United States of America. Today, I am heading to Kansas City, Missouri. Last night, I got about a 2-hour head start. I wanted to make it an easy drive on me today. I have about 5 more hours of this drive left to go. Tonight in Kansas City, Missouri, I am seeing a band that I've wanted to see for about 6 years now, ever since they put out The Mother We Share. I have been a huge fan of this band, and it's taken way too long for me to finally see them. But for the first time tonight in Kansas City, Missouri, I am seeing CHVRCHES. I cannot wait. I'm excited, very excited for this concert. I cannot wait to see them. I cannot wait to see Lauren Mayberry. Beautiful person, beautiful voice. It's gonna be a great night in Kansas City. Cannot wait. Highway driving in the United States of America. Well, in Arkansas. I'm driving on the highway. There's a railroad track right there. Middle of nowhere, basically. I think the population here is 152. I believe I'm in Sedgwick, Arkansas. I am in middle of nowhere, Arkansas still, and I just saw this big bird, this big crow, and I had to stop and check it out. I'm always interested in strange things on highways like this. Not really strange, but you know, different. Maybe it's the Arkansas state bird or some shit like that. Excuse my language. All right, let's head back on the road. I just stopped here at Mammoth Springs State Park, the Welcome Center. Let's go check it out real quick. Stretch my legs out. This place looks really familiar. I think I stopped here about 2 years ago on my trip back from Las Vegas. Let's check it out again anyways, because I didn't do it on YouTube. I didn't have a YouTube channel back then. It was 2 years ago. Wow. Check that out. Do you think I could survive if I fell in there? I doubt it. Looks pretty nice though. picture with this. Looks pretty cool. Well, that was pretty neat to check out. Let's go ahead and head back on the road. I still have like 4 or 5 more hours left on this road trip to Kansas City, Missouri. I believe the concert for CHVRCHES starts at 7 p.m. But I would like a decent spot in line so I can be up close and actually see Lauren Mayberry up close and not be far back and where she looks like a speck. It sure is a beautiful day for a road trip. Hopefully it stays like this my entire road trip to Las Vegas, Nevada and back home. Wow. Woo! This is almost like the Windows desktop. And I had the privilege of being in a car with air conditioning. If I didn't have air conditioning, then it probably wouldn't be so nice. But I do, so. Wow. I would love to get an RV someday. Maybe when I'm older, around 40 years old, I'll get one. Except I want it all attached. Oh shit. There's some Amish people over here. That's cool. That's pretty cool. I am stopping by Sonic real quick to get me a milkshake. I am currently in Springfield, Missouri. I have about 2.5 hours left of my drive until I'm in Kansas City, Missouri. But I want a milkshake, so that's what I'm going to do. All right, see you later, Springfield. On my way to Kansas City, Missouri. In case you missed the first couple of minutes of this video, tonight I am seeing CHVRCHES. I'm about an hour outside of Kansas City, Missouri. It is currently like 5 p.m. now. Mandatory gas stop though. I just stopped by Arby's to get me something to eat real quick. My favorite fast food chain in the United States of America. I am in Kansas City, Missouri. I don't plan on doing much here in Kansas City besides going to the concert. So anyways, the next clip you will see will be of CHVRCHES.